my transaction is complete. And you will notice down here at the bottom, it says position created, view positions. I'm going to go ahead and click view positions to see my new position in Snuggle. Now I have a couple positions in this wallet already. I have mini wallets with mini positions in Snuggle. In this wallet, I've got about $5,800, including my new $5,000 position in USDC / Coinbase Route Bitcoin. It's actually already earning because the price, since I deposited a few seconds ago, already shifted into range. And once the price is in your range, you will be earning liquidity fees in the form of USDC and cbBTC, as well as additional cake rewards in this PancakeSwap pool. So this is a great passive income strategy. And I like to set it wide and let it ride, as they say, on more conservative assets like Bitcoin, because there's less impermanent loss. It's less of an emotional roller coaster for me this way. Sure, a tighter range strategy with a shorter delay in the long run might earn me a higher earning rate and actually might outperform this position according to the backtests. However, I'm pretty conservative and I just want my money to grow nice and steadily. And I just want to wake up every day to an extra $20, $30, $40 in my wallet from this position. And the earnings rate is already going up. This will go up over time as this is in range longer, earning more fees. Based on the backtest results for this strategy specifically, over the last 365 days, even in a bear market, it would have done 100 to 200% APR, somewhere in there. So to me, 1 to 200% APR is not bad in the grand scheme of things, considering the stock market, like the S&P 500, does about 10% returns on average year after year. So if I can do 10x that in something like Bitcoin and USDC, I will take that all day, every day. And with compounding and using the fees and the rewards that I earn to create new positions to earn even more, you can really see the compounding effect of creating your own passive income portfolio using the magic of DeFi, and especially the magic of the Snuggle rebalancing technology. I will break that all down in further videos, and I will give you updates on how this position is doing.